Hi everyone, today I'll be doing the french fry chicken. So as you can see, the chicken is already seasoned. What I forgot to do was to show you how I breaded the chicken. Anyway, I started frying. In the middle of the video you will see me breading some more chicken, and as you can see the fire was a bit high, so I had to turn it down a little and let it fry. Then I covered the chicken so it could fry right through, and it's not raw when finished. Guys, please remember to subscribe, like and share my videos, and have a good day. Tell me what you think about this. Thank you.